Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and informative reviews. Today, we have something special for you, the Abonow Walking Pad Treadmill, which we believe is the best budget-friendly treadmill you can get right now. Whether you're working from home or looking for a compact treadmill that fits perfectly in small spaces, this walking pad is the perfect option for you. This walking pad is not just compact and portable, it's a versatile 2-in-1 machine that works both as a treadmill and as a walking pad. Its sleek, lightweight design makes it easy to store and move, so if you're tight on space, it won't be a hassle to tuck it away under your desk or in a closet. But don't let its size fool you. This treadmill is powerful, boasting a 2.5 HP motor, making it ideal for those looking for a treadmill that can keep up with daily use. One of the standout features of this treadmill is the adjustable 8% incline. This provides a higher fat-burning effect, simulating the feeling of climbing. Whether you're walking at a slow pace or picking up the pace, you can easily adjust the incline to match your workout needs. Speaking of speed, it offers a range from 0.5 to 4 miles per hour, which means you can use it for light walking or even a brisk jog if you're in the mood for a more intense session. The design of the walking pad also features a 5-layer anti-slip running belt, providing a stable and secure surface for your walks. It also includes built-in shock absorbers, reducing the impact on your knees and muscles. So, whether you're walking while working or using it for a more intense workout, this treadmill will keep you comfortable and protected from injury. In addition to the physical design, the walking pad comes with an easy-to-read LED display that shows important metrics like time, distance, speed, and calories burned, so you can track your progress with ease. The remote control is also a great addition, allowing you to adjust the speed without having to bend down or stop your workout. This feature is especially handy if you want to keep things simple and convenient while you're walking. The Abonow walking pad is also designed to support a maximum weight of 265 pounds, which is more than sufficient for most users. And don't worry about assembly, it comes fully assembled right out of the box, so you can start using it right away without any complicated setup. In conclusion, the Abonow walking pad treadmill is perfect for anyone looking for a budget-friendly treadmill that doesn't compromise on features. Its portability, adjustable incline, quiet performance, and ease of use make it a great choice for anyone who wants to stay active without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to get some extra steps in while working from home or enjoy a quick workout in a small apartment, this treadmill is an excellent investment. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there.